The Vedic literature composed by the Mahamuni Vyasadeva is evidence of all spiritual existence. Only through these revealed scriptures can all conditioned souls attain knowledge. The essence of all religious principles in the age of Kali is chanting the Lord's holy names. One cannot be delivered by following any other religious principles. The word Brahman indicates the complete Supreme Personality of the Godhead, who is Sri Krishna. That is the verdict of all Vedic literature. In Vedic literature, Krishna is the central point of attraction and his service is our activity. To attain the platform of love of Krishna is life's ultimate goal. Therefore Krishna's service and love of Krishna are the three great riches of life. The conditioned soul cannot revive his Krishna consciousness by his own effort, but out of causeless mercy, Lord Krishna compiled the Vedic literature and its supplements, the Puranas. In this age of Kali, the holy name of the Lord, the Hare Krishna Maha-mantra, is the incarnation of Lord Krishna. Regardless of time or place, one who chants the holy name, even while eating or sleeping, attains all perfection. In this age of Kali, the holy name of the Lord, the Hare Krishna mantra, is the incarnation of Lord Krishna. Simply by chanting the holy name, one associate with the Lord directly. Anyone who does this is certainly delivered. Be more humble than a blade of grass, more tolerant than a tree, always offering respect to others and never expecting any in return. Be like a tree. The tree gives shade even to him who cuts off its boughs.